The fact that this got tens of millions of views and was remade by so many thousands of people, what am I doing wrong? Today we're making the viral sweet potato and cheese. Is it worth the hype or is it overhyped? Stick around to the end to find out. I remember when I first saw this video, and it was actually not too long ago, I was incredibly annoyed. I mean, I get it. Sometimes it's the simple things that bring you joy. When you think about somebody putting cheese into a baked sweet potato and how viral it went, I'm just like, are we okay as a society? Like, are y'all good? But again, you know what? If this makes you happy, brings you joy, then go for it. And because it was so viral, I wanted to include it in my series of viral recipes to try from 2025. Even though it's 2026, we're gonna recap last year with the viral recipes, see which ones we like the best, and then see what goes viral this year. And because this is so simple, it really doesn't need much of an explanation. I have a baked sweet potato here. Now in the original video, she's using a white sweet potato and she called it a garnet potato. I'm like, girl, it's not a garnet. A garnet is one of these, it's orange. That is a garnet potato. If you're not trying to fact check, then you can get over that. But I was immediately annoyed by that. And then she said butter kaze, it's butterkäse. Learn your pronunciations. And then everyone who remade it said butter kaze. It's butterkäse. We've got some of that, and apparently you have to make sure the sweet potato is still warm so the cheese gets really, really melty. So I'm just going to make a little bit of room in there. In goes the cheese. And this is where I'm like, the fact that this got tens of millions of views and was remade by so many thousands of people, what am I doing wrong? That's pretty much it. Here goes nothing. All right, so first and foremost, do I think this is as amazing as everyone says it is? Not really. It's literally just like, it's cheese shoved in a potato. So now I will say, I tried this once before, but the sweet potato was cold. So the cheese didn't get melty at all, and it was a cold sweet potato with cold cheese. I did not like it whatsoever. The fact that it's warm makes it significantly more enjoyable, but I honestly just don't think it's that good. So hate on me all you want for that. If you love it, do it. Go do your thing, whatever. I just don't think it's that great. So is this worth the hype or is it overhyped? I would say overhyped. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and look out for my next video where we try another viral recipe from 2025. All right, thanks, bye.